Alright guys, so we will continue the Unit 5 review in the language arts. Okay, and it says adjectives that compare. We said that when we compare, when we use an adjective to compare between two people or two objects or two places, we add er to the adjective and then we put the word then. But when we compare between more than two, like three or more, we write the word the and we add est to the adjective at the end of the adjective. Okay, we add est to the end of the adjective. Let's see what I'm talking about. If I say here, my sister Jen is blank, then I am. So my sister Jen, and who am I comparing between Jen and I? Okay, so these are two. So we will add er to the adjective and then we add the word then. So my sister Jen is older than I am. Okay, Jen is blank than Jill. I'm comparing between two or more Jen and Jill. So Jen is taller than Jill. Here, my sister Jen is older or oldest than I am. No, my sister is older than I am. Jen is tallest than Jill. We're comparing two, so Jen is taller than Jill. Number 3, the sweetest sister of all is Jo. The sweetest sister of all is Jo. Why? Because it's comparing between all of the sisters. It says sister of all is Jo. So Jo is the sweetest out of all the sisters. So we're comparing more than two. So what do? We have the word the and we add est to the adjective. The sweetest sister of all is Jo. Jo is the smallest sister of all. Why? Because we have of all. Okay, at the end here we have the word all. That means shows you that we're comparing more than two. And we have the, so and we add est to the adjective. Jo is the smallest girl of all. If we used smaller, the word then would come after it. Okay, so number 4, Jo is the smallest girl of all. Number 5, Jo's smile is bigger or biggest than mine. Here we have the word then, and when we read it, we compare between Jo and mine. We're comparing Jo's smile and my smile. So Jo's smile is bigger than mine. Okay, here we go. We're gonna write the commas. This is, I think you guys, most of you did very well in class and you guys remembered it very well. Here in a letter, we learned that we put commas in 3 important parts of the letter. When we write the date, we put it between the day and the year. And when we start a letter or we write the greeting, we put the comma after the person's name. Okay, and at the end after you close the letter using a proper word such as love, yours truly. Okay, so here number 1, June 14, 2001. How should I write it? I would write the same date, but between the date and the number, the day and the year, I put a comma between them. Dear Tess, this is a greeting. After Tess, I put a comma. I will see you on July 4th, 2001. We write the same, but we put a comma between 4 and 2001. I can stay until July 10, 2001. Again, the date, you write the same date, but you put a comma between the day and the year. Number 5 is how you end the letter. Your pal, and then you sign your name. So after your pal, you put a comma and then you sign your name, Nick. And that was all for today.